everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is JTV Life Vlogs. So today we are here at Disneyland Paris. So we're going to explore Disneyland today. I'm with a friend. She is the daughter of my brother's co-worker in Alberta, Canada. So let's go. We'll show you what's inside the Disney park. So, this is it, the Disney Castle. Ayan, bata pa lang ako, dream ko na talaga makapunta rito sa Disneyland. At eto na nga, napasok ko na ang loob ng Disney Castle. So, ito naman talaga ang dream ng mga kabataan, di ba? Ang makapunta sa Disneyland. Because since I was a kid, I really love Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So, for today, I really fulfill at dream come true talaga na makita ko ang loob ng Disneyland. So happy to be here. Really unforgettable experience, at least once in my life I've been here, and nanumbalik ang pagiging bata. Although hindi lang naman talaga pambata ang Disneyland, even adults admire and dream to be here. Masaya naman talaga na mapasyalan natin ang mga famous amusement attraction, ika nga. So, eto, napasok namin. There are a lot of souvenir store. Ayan, nandiyan, napakaraming Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na talaga si Mickey and Minnie. And hindi gaano ang mga princesses. lately na lang yung mga princesses. But I really love Mickey Mouse. So, ayun. Ayan, samahan nyo kami mag-explore dito sa loob and hope you enjoy. So, we'll show you more of the souvenir shops. Ayan, different souvenir. You can buy t-shirts. There are a lot of toys and candies inside the store. Okay, hope you enjoy watching.
L'unica personcina seria.
Olha, se quiser, meu amor, não precisa ficar bravo. Tô conversando. Ele ia trazer o oi. Ali, Lívia,
Now we are here at the second part, the Walt Disney Studio. So if you really love riding on a different rides, ito po yung bagay sa inyo, the Walt Disney Studio. So this is Toy Story. Ayan, different kinds of rides. May extreme rides, light. Hindi na namin natyaga ang pila sa sobrang haba. Imagine, sa isang pilahan, yung waiting time is 30 to 45 minutes. So, hindi na kami nagtyagang pumila dyan sa mga rides. We just enjoy the surrounding. So far, okay naman. Siguro kung may kasama kaming bata, malamang natyaga din namin yung pila na yan. But since we're not kids, so hindi na namin natyagang hintayin pa. Anyway, we enjoy the day kahit hindi kami nakasakay ng mga rides nila. Yun lang, no? So, tips lang sa mga may anak na gustong mamasyal sa Disneyland. Much better siguro na mag-book kayo nung fastest, di ba may extra pay for the fastest, what do you call this? Yung fastest entrance. I don't know what's that. But I think mayroong ganon. So, para mas mabilis kayong makapasok at mas ma-enjoy talaga ng mga anak ninyo na mahilig sumakay sa mga rides. Ayun lang. But so far, it's very enjoyable here at Disneyland. Kakaibang experience. As in, super. Yan lang ang masasabi ko about Disneyland. Hindi na rin pala kami nag-antay ng kanilang fireworks display at 11 PM pa kasi yun ng gabi. So, eto, nakalabas na pala kami ng Disney Park. Tapos na kami mag-explore sa loob. And we're going home. Kasi flight na rin niya pabalik ng Alberta tomorrow morning. And meron pa siyang gustong puntahan dito sa Paris. I think she's going to explore at Champs-Élysées. So that's it for today. And I hope you enjoy watching. Bye everyone. Thank you.